Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll show you Facebook Messenger not working. To fix your Facebook Messenger, there are different ways. Firstly, make sure that your Facebook Messenger is up to date. Go to App Store or Play Store and on the search bar click over there and search Messenger. To the right side of Messenger, it will either says update or open. If it says update, that means your app needs to be updated, and if it says open, that means your app is up to date. Here you can see our Messenger app is up to date. The next thing you can do is reset the app. Now go to the settings, scroll down and tap on apps. After that you again need to tap on all apps. When you enter on all apps, on the search bar search Messenger. When you enter on Messenger info, tap on storage and cache. Then tap on clear storage. Make sure to back up your data and find your way to login back to app. This will help you to start your app from fresh. The next thing you need to remember, make sure that your cellular data and internet connection is working or turned on. If none of these are working, the next step you can do is report the problem. Tap on report technical problem and again you need to tap on report anyway. Would you like to include complete logs and diagnostic? Let's tap on don't include. And here you can report the problem and tap on send. After that your Facebook Messenger will start working. Thank you for watching.